So on your Android smartphone or iPhone like this one, go on the Google Play Store, or if you're on an iPhone, to the App Store, and you're going to search for the LG ThinkQ app. It looks like this. There's many unofficial apps that can also do the same job, but this is the official LG application. So this is why I always suggest use it first before going and searching for an alternative. Open. Allow, press next, next. Now you'll need to sign up in your LG account or create one. It takes only a few seconds to have access to all the features of this app that are free, by the way. So I'll go ahead and log in into my account. Again, if you don't have one, you'll be able to create one by signing up. Now, after logging in, they'll ask you if you want to share all your Bluetooth devices with the app and maybe other questions. You need to allow if you want the remote to work. So allow while using the app over here. And then we are on the main screen of this LG app. All you have to do is to click Add Device. I'm going to select TV, and from here select your LG TV. By the way, your TV needs to be turned on, since this is how both of them will connect. So it has detected my TV quite quickly. Now it will show me a number on my TV screen that I have to type on the app to confirm that this is actually my TV. So I'll go ahead, type the same number. Yours will be different. Press OK. Press Login. Press OK. Accept all. OK. Press OK. Now they'll tell you that you'll be able to actually turn on your TV using the Wi-Fi. It's a feature that you may want to use or not, so you can agree or you can press later if it's not something you're interested in. Press OK, and here we go. It'll simply tell you how to use the app. Okay, so just press done after you read everything. And finally, we have the remote control right over here. If you press it, you'll have access to the buttons on the top, a pad. The pad is just making everything look like a mouse pad. Okay, so I can navigate simply with my finger, so it's a bit more easy to use your TV, especially, you see, if I want to switch to sports over here, switch between HDMI 1 and other inputs, again, simply by using the touchpad. But if you prefer having more buttons, there's also the options down below. If you click here, you have a directional pad, the same as on your remote control. So this is your remote control directional pad, but now you have it. And by the way, the settings button is always here. So if you press on it, the settings will appear, and yeah, simply by using these buttons, you can actually go through them. If you prefer having numbers, you have this option as well. And finally, you have your play, pause, skip button. Now, another cool feature is the fact that you have the voice button over here. Even if your original remote does not have this feature, it's like you're adding a feature. So if I press here, open YouTube, you can control your TV, and it's very quick. Additionally, if you don't want to use the remote control the way it's looking here, you can press X, and from this menu screen, you can have access to other feature that your TV is capable of. So if you want to launch live TV, you'll have it here. If you have other HDMI devices, you'll be able to select them from here, and yeah, it will be very useful. You even have a screen share directly. Press yes. And now you are mirroring your screen on your LG TV. So this app can do a lot more than simply a remote control, which is why I recommend you get it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.